I've just pushed back the rug and it's going around the rug and then around the cupboard and then coming over to my ab trainer or ornament. Going around the edges. Absolutely fantastic. Ooh. It just randomly goes around. Now going around the table. And then when it needs charging, after about 45 minutes it needs charging and it goes and makes its way back over here to the docking station and charges and then carries on and cleans my house. Brilliant. I think I've grown attached to it now. It's not going back.